Hello guys, welcome back to another video guys here on channel guys. Today guys, me and my brother are playing Minecraft. This is episode 7. When the episode 6, I accidentally said 5 over there, but ignore it. Just pretend that I said 7. Pretend that I said 5. I pretend that I said 6. So yeah. We've got new items. Oh guys, if you think the heck, I think you're using game mode. No, we did not. We found an Acacia village and we made the map too, so we know where we can get there. Yeah, so this is it. This is where we can go see the map. This is it. This is where we get every single one. I'll just have to rename it.
And you were eclipsed. I was traveling and you see.
Yeah, while me and my brother go there. Man, then when I resetted, I forgot that my bed was destroyed.
And I got gold for the tree.
Okay. Oh, and guys, come on, remove the Chris Streams map. There we go. The south, I forgot where the southern is, or but don't worry guys. The map is this. The Acacia bio is behind my brother's. Behind this house. Yeah, just keep straight and straight. No, but you said. Then where?
I far away.
But it's behind your,
No. I spawn point there.
Nah, forget it. We'll just say it. Nah, never mind. As long as we got the map, I guess it's okay. When you go there, did you go to your back house?
No.
Then how did you get there?
I travel.
Come on. You must always know where you're going, so in case we need to. Oh, and guys, we don't know how to put our base here. Yeah. That's it. I guess I'll craft another one of these maps, because every single one of these is trash. Come on. Okay, we gotta figure out what this is our map room. That's where we go, or and never mind. And this is where the food goes. Okay, we need this too. We need more paper. I'm gonna make a new map, because you don't think when where you're going. You only travel. That's why you're never mind that. I need more sugar. How? Which way?
I travel.
You only travel.
I built you in a Iron 7.
Actually, I was not fighting you. You were forcing me to kill you.
Yes, but you were trying to kill me and I was trying to kill you too.
Actually, you were fighting
But
back.
I won.
You were fighting back. Not, so shut up.
But I won.
No one cares.
Because you there.
I don't care about you. No. There we go. Now we need redstone. I'm pretty sure I have redstone when I go mining. Yeah, redstone. Let's make one. Where's the compass? Oh, there we go. Great map. Yes, we made the spawn. Oh no. Yes, at least. Oh wait. Also. Yes, Wong. Ah, never mind. You're not just gonna believe me. We gotta fix this. Wait a minute. What's this? This will be down here. This is the house. Okay? Then wait a minute. We need more stuff. This is we gotta fix this. I mean, we gotta remove that. We need to make one again. Do we have spare? Oh, come on. I guess we'll just put this. Wait, what? Wait, there's a volcano in there. Still, I don't think it's there. Is it? This it should be here. No, because it will be going down here. No, it's. Yeah, I think this is it. Then then this is near where there's desert. Oh my gosh, I'm learning how to do this, but not enough. I know my brother go into the desert, right? So if the wait a minute. So if the farm was here, the farm was there, and then it ends there. Cause if we go there, guys, there's a lot of desert in there. There's a lot of desert in there. So that means my brother go through that desert and then found the acacia.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good at maps. Finally, I can finally read maps. Here we go. So this is it. So I have to make another map in not here. In the real span where everything started. Then we gotta go to it. Wait a minute. Then when the spawn there was a near swamp, right? There was a swamp. So there we go. There was this, and then the acacia with desert, then the dark oak woods one, and then with desert. No, not talking. I didn't say that you'd go there. I'm saying that we found the dark oak woods biome, the acacia biome, and the desert biome. And we found the swamp biome too. So this is where the biome. Guess no. This is gonna be the swamp. Cause I know it. Cause I just go there. That's how I got my second llama. We're gonna go there, guys. We're gonna go to the swamp. This is our library, by the way. I'm gonna go to the swamp. I'm gonna prove you guys. That's it. Come on. Oh my gosh, guys! I'm just gonna clear the rains so you can see better. I'll be going to the swamp. Come on. There, told you guys, this is it. There's a swamp behind the dark oak wood. This is the swamp there. So we're gonna make a portal in here. I mean, I mapped there. I'm excited, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, comment down below if I'm bad at maps or good at maps. I finally understand the map, even though it's in Minecraft, and even though it really doesn't count, but it's okay. No, I'm stuck. Why did I go down? Help. I don't have any pickaxe because I gave my pickaxe to my brother because he was mining and his pickaxe broke. Yes! Yes! I got out! Now we need more candy cane, by the way. Candy cane, was it? Sugar cane? I forgot what it's called. What are you doing? Oh, you made a blue fire?
Yes.
You haven't fixed your roof. Wait, yeah, we should sleep. Wait. Oh my gosh. This is our only way in. Even though there's a parkour, it's too hard for us. We have so many beds in here. Because we stole every single beds in the village. I'm so happy, guys, that I can finally read the map. Wait.
What way?
No. Wait a minute. I've got it all wrong, guys. This is our house, and I got here. Look, this is where we know, guys. This is where the swamp. So I gotta put a map here too. The swamp will be here, and then the spawn here, and then this. I don't know this. We gotta explore when we go to the desert biome. But we still need papers. We don't have sugar cane, was it? I don't know. Can I get your sugar, thingy? It's for the map. Because we need the map. So we know where we're going or we're getting lost. Yes. I gotta create a map. But not still here.
In a cave.
Okay. Nice. Wait a minute, guys. I need what is it called again? Oh yeah. I need sand for my brother's roof before I leave, because my brother keeps forgetting to make us, You need to fix your roof. You don't have, never mind that. Okay. I got it. Get it. Where is this? Okay, this is good. Sand. There we go. Now, guys, I am gonna have to fix our map. The swampy biome. The swamp biome. Are we here yet? Gosh, yes. Guys, I'm just happy that I finally can read the map. Even though it does not point our location, but I still can read maps. My first time reading a map. I'm happy about it. Man, the map I made sure is right. There's a lot of tree blocking my way. Yes! I'm in swampy biome! Now let me create a map here. Ouch. Hope I don't die. or find the creeper. Oh, it's not here. I must create a map here. A little bit more to the middle, so I can get every single one of it. Yes! The swamp biome! But there's a river. Where's the river? Found the river. So it goes to the other end. Okay, I got it. Yeah, boy! I finally can read the map. Well, I'll just slash kill. Here you go. Yes! Now I need to make another putting thingy. I don't know what it's called anyway.
I found their guys.
Hidden. Yes, here. Yes! I'm good at maps. Yes! My first time reading a map. Guys, just saying, if I might get this all wrong. No, that's not there. And there. Here we go. Man. This is it. This is our little farm. Then we go here to there.
And I found a... Oh my god, that's it.
I gotta make something in. I gotta put a map in here. Oh no, this is wait.
I found a large ravine.
Okay then,
But
good
I will
job.
die.
I'll just put this. There we go. I hope guys this is all okay to you. Where's my pickaxe? Yes. This is it. There's so many, and you know guys, there's so many islands there, but we haven't even explored a single one. And I'm ready to do it all. We're gonna need a lot of stuff because we're gonna make a lot of map, right?
Yeah.
You don't like it, don't you?
Yeah, because I'm that of the mountain. What?
The more we travel, the more our map becomes.
I found desert.
I am so happy. Our map's gonna be beautiful, guys. Wait, I'll just break this. So there's room for its bottom. Yes! I'm so happy. Our map. Look guys, it shapes. There's a desert there and there's a desert there too.
And I'm in a desert.
And then we gotta find a lake that goes to there, then this will be the ocean, I guess.
Ooh, rabbit.
I'm so happy. We gotta make a lot of paper, so every time we go traveling, we can, you
I
know.
found your boat.
Okay, good job then. Oh, my boat.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe,
Group of
like, click the bell.
turtles.
Oh, wait, what?
Group of turtles.
Oh my gosh, guys, we're gonna get new turtles. Wait, I'm gonna get leads. Okay, guys, please subscribe. Bye.